The Viofo A229 Pro is available in 3 different configurations: front, front rear, and front rear and interior. The front camera sports a 4K Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, the rear camera a 2K Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, and the interior camera is available in a 1080p Sony Starvis image sensor. This dash camera is very popular for people who want to have the best chance of catching license plate recognition while driving during the day and at night. It also has a very wide viewing angle and has an LCD screen. So if you're not confident in using your phone in order to log in and make changes to it, you can actually just go right into the LCD screen and change the settings directly right there. Also, it has an SD card, which you need to purchase separately, and we do only recommend purchasing the Viofo micro SD card. However, take that SD card out and you can view it on the computer as it's already in MP4 format. This unit also has parking mode, which means it has the capability of recording while parked. Now, if you are looking for it to record about an average of 1 to 3 hours while parked, most vehicles will be fine with this. However, if you're looking for longer periods of time while parked, I would recommend getting a proper battery pack that will charge while you're driving to support those heavy current loads on your vehicle battery. Inside the box comes a cigarette lighter cable, which allows you to plug directly into your cigarette lighter. If you don't have a cigarette lighter and you have one of these new vehicles that has a USB input, you can also take the dash camera and plug the USB input directly into there to power up your dash camera. If you are looking to have the parking mode features, as I mentioned earlier, you are going to need to purchase the Viofo HK4 parking mode cable. This has low battery protection. That way, if your vehicle battery drops below a certain set voltage, the dash camera will shut off to protect the battery of your car. We do recommend setting this at 12 volts or higher, unless you're going to be running a battery pack, then set it at the lowest setting of 11.8 volts. This dash camera also has capability of being accessed via a smartphone app. You simply just go into the phone and connect wirelessly to the dash camera. It allows you to change all the various settings on the unit or download video footage. Maybe there's an accident that happens and you can easily just download that right away, show it to a prospective police officer, or share it on social media. This unit also comes with a circular polarized lens. This filter can be used to reduce reflections and glare off glass and road surfaces, bringing significantly improved image clarity and contrast. This video is actually supplied by Retro Car Guy. Emergency lock feature. This dash camera, if you are in a collision and it senses an impact, it will automatically lock the video, making it easy for you to review at a later date. On the other hand, it also has an emergency lock button. And what this allows you to do is, if you do have any fishy business going on while you're driving, let's say somebody's brake checking you or cuts you off, you can hit that emergency lock button. It'll lock the video so that you can review it when you come to a safe stop later on. This dash camera also has high dynamic range, which means it actually works really well at adjusting very quickly to various lighting conditions as you drive. If you're driving in the sunlight and it's very bright, it'll actually adjust very quickly to those various lighting conditions. I actually do a test called the tunnel test, where it shows that when you go into the tunnel and come out of the tunnel, how it very much changes very quickly and adapts as it goes in from bright light to dark light, back into bright light again. This unit also has voice control. So you can easily be driving down the road and just yell out, "Lock the video." And it'll actually lock the video on the unit for you without you even needing to push the button. There's other various commands, which we have listed here, that it will also do depending on your preference. That is the Viofo A229 Pro quick review. If you want to see our full review, which is crazy long, the link is right here. Feel free to check it out. Don't forget, we're Safe Drive Solutions, your dash cam specialist in Greater Vancouver and Greater Toronto area. So if you're looking to buy this dash camera, or you're looking to get it installed in either one of those 2 major markets, we are here to help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again. Cheers.